The Nike Vomero Premium Black Hot Lava Sapphire is a refined blend of performance heritage and modern street style. It features a jet black knit upper with layered texture, highlighted by subtle hot lava accents that add warmth and depth. A sapphire blue-purple swoosh stands out with a soft glow that shifts with movement, matched by the tongue label for a cohesive look. The heel flows into a deep anthracite gradient, giving the shoe a balanced and grounded silhouette. Underfoot, a thick sole houses responsive air cushioning, wrapped in semi-gloss panels for a smooth reflective finish. The outsole uses dense rubber lugs in a geometric pattern that showcases durability and grip. Red accents on the visible air pods add energy without overpowering the design. Built from the Vomero's long-distance running legacy, this premium model delivers comfort that feels natural, stylish, and versatile for both active use and everyday wear.